car battery weak and cause car engine cannot start. Use a tool spanner or wrench base on nut size of car battery. For safety, remove the negative clip terminal first. Loose the nut at negative terminal. Turn to counterclockwise direction. Next, step 2. Remove the positive clip terminal. Loose the nut at positive plus terminal. Turn into counterclockwise direction. Loose the bolt nut at battery bracket holder. Remove the bolt of battery bracket holder. Remove the old battery. Clean the battery tray. Clean the battery bottom chassis area. Check the old battery voltage using battery charger or multimeter. Before you buy, check recommended of your car battery size at owner manual book. Positive plus red. Negative blue or black. Place the battery tray. Place the new 12 volts battery. Place back the bracket holder. Insert and tighten the bolt nut. Turn to clockwise direction. Brush or clean the positive plus clip terminal. Brush or clean the negative clip terminal. For safety, install the positive clip terminal first. Insert the positive plus terminal clip. Tighten the nut, follow clockwise direction. Install the negative clip terminal next for safety step. Insert negative terminal and tighten the nut. Turn into clockwise direction. Arrange the battery cable nicely. Start the car engine. Thanks for watching.